Hey Gut friend, just wanted to say hi, hope you're doing well, sending you lots of blessings here from the forest. Look out there, isn't that beautiful? Wow, huh? I'm still waiting for the rainbow to come, but let's see. I wanted to share an update with you because we just revived and revitalized the membership area for the channel here called GutFlix with 3 different tiers now. The GutFlix Starter, the GutFlix Member, and the GutFlix Inner Circle. And they all have different perks. And it's basically a way to stay connected with gut feelings, share your support, let us know that the free videos here on YouTube are supportive for you, and get a few bonuses like behind the scenes, priority support on the YouTube lives, for example, that we're doing, and some other perks. I'm going to share them in the intro video if you want to check it out. I'll link it down below and also up here for the channel membership for GutFlix. Just wanted to let you know that this is happening again. And while we're on the subject, I also want to say a big thank you for 2 of our oldest members. So they are basically members since we launched the GutFlix membership on YouTube. That's Tomas with over 5 years as a GutFlix member. Thank you so much, Tomas, for your support, and also to Alice, who's over 5.5 years with the GutFlix and Gut Feelings family, supporting the channel, making the free videos possible for everybody who might not be able to afford any of the programs or even the GutFlix membership. So you two guys, please reach out to our support team, support@peggyschirmer.com, and we'd love to give you a thank you surprise to honor your long-term support and commitment. And if you're not yet one of the GutFlix members, highly encourage you to check out the GutFlix intro and the different perks and the different tiers and see if you feel resonance. And if it's not yet your time, no hard feelings. Let's just stay connected here on the Gut Feelings channel. Wishing you a beautiful day, and I see you soon. Bye.